So whenever I get a power station to review, I always wonder, can it actually make a meal using a slow cooker? In the past, previous power stations have had a bit of mixed results. However, in this video, I'm going to be using the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max, which is a monster of a machine, to be quite honest. And I think it is quite capable of producing a meal or using or heating up a slow cooker for 5 or 6 hours to make a stew, beef stew in this case. I'm also going to be using my kettle throughout the day. If I have anything to microwave, I'll plug that into it as well, just to give it a bit of a, a better test than just a slow cooker. My slow cooker is 170 watts. The kettle is 2,500 to 3,000 watts, and that is a 900 watt microwave. So let's see how it gets on. So this evening's meal will have courgettes, carrots, onions, garlic, potatoes, and stewing steak. And I've also got a recipe mix. So as you can see, the EcoFlow is at 100% battery capacity. It says it's got 62 hours. That is because I've just turned on the AC. So that means if I just turn this down up to medium, that's low, medium, there we go. It's currently taking 141 watts, and it says that we have 11 hours of battery capacity. Now the Delta 2 Max has a 2,400 watt pure sine wave inverter and a 2,048 watt hour battery capacity. And the reason why I want to test with a slow cooker is because a slow cooker is ideal in a motorhome or camper van, because you can get it cooking all day and you'll be out enjoying the countryside, having a walks or cycling or whatever, skydiving. So I'm just looking for a power station which will allow me to use my slow cooker in my motorhome. It is lunchtime, so I thought I would use the kettle to make a nice cup of tea and the microwave to defrost a few slices of bread. So now we only have 55 minutes for the battery to be fully depleted, and it's taken up almost 1,600 watts. And as the microwave finishes, it goes back to normal, so it's 8 hours. So the microwave worked, but what about the kettle? It's gone up to 2,360 watts here, and the battery is only 35 minutes left remaining. Luckily, we're not going to be boiling the kettle for 35 minutes. Okay, so the fan's actually quietened down in the Delta 2 Max. 8 hours remaining and back down to 140 watts. So we are still cooking our beef stew. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Oh, lovely. It might need a stir, but yeah, perfect. Everything is looking good. Well, it's been cooking for 6 hours now. I think it's done, but I'm just going to test it with a taste test of a carrot. And this is probably going to burn me. Still a bit crunchy. Very good. Hot. Just al dente. Just keep it going. Well, almost 8 hours in, and that's ready to be eaten. Okay, so it's 28% left of the battery. At the current rate, we've got another 3 hours left and still drawing out 140 watts. Even though I plugged the microwave in for, it was only 30 seconds, and boiled a kettle enough for 2 cups of tea, this has coped really, really well. This EcoFlow Delta 2 Max is a pretty good piece of kit. It's just very large and very heavy. And if you're interested in purchasing one, or even just want to look at the specifications, then I'll leave a link and some discount codes in the video description. Till next time, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye. Dishing up. Wow.
Ooh, I was going to do my face, wasn't I? I'll do it.